Good morning. This is Dennis Gerard here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. This beautiful March day, we're going to look together at a 2016 Winnebago Sunstar 30-foot coach. Really nice triple slide. As you can see on the Sunstar, full body paint, gold metallic, nice contrasting colors. This window, many people call it a doggy window because dogs sure love to lay inside and look out of it, but it was actually built so the driver could take at a glance, see a car hood sitting here. This one does have side cameras on it, so this has 3 cameras. Passenger side, driver side, and rear camera. And these side cameras are triggered by bumping the turn signal. So if you're in town, you wonder if a car is there, you can see it. So we just got this in. It does need a little cleanup, but we'll be doing that shortly. But as you can see, a nice double door storage, approximately 8 feet long. Quick connect for your propane. Exterior radio. Water tank plus additional storage. Electric awnings. So nice storage, and across the top there's storage too, so you can put some longer things in there. So the Sunstar LX means full body paint and upgrades. So this one has a 4,000 watt awning generator in it. Our service bay, nice large one. Big hatch for our sewer hose. Outside shower. Coming up towards the front, our secondary tanks. Additional storage with pass-through. LP tank and our levelers. So going on around, so again, here's our camera on the outside. So let's go to the inside and take a look. One of the things I always enjoy in showing Winnebagos is the quality of the construction and their excellent engineering. So as we go through this, here in the living room, we have opposing slides. Pull-out sofa on the one side, pop-up TV with freestanding table and chairs. Of course, the table will pull out farther, and you've got 2 additional chairs with it. Here we have an electric bunk. So this one would be a good 6 sleeper. As we're up in the driver passenger area, we go back, we can see the view window. Of course, here we have our passenger side table, working table. Fold up leaf, double sinks, 3 burner with convection microwave, double door fridge, pantry here to the side. Split bath back here. Now you can see back here because of the 3rd slide. Nice queen bed, big headboard window. Double wardrobes. Total of 7 drawers with additional storage here in the middle. On the bathroom itself, come on back in, private toilet. Mirrored overhead doors with additional storage. One of the things you'll notice, this door, because the springs that are built into that side, will keep itself open. So it gives you privacy from the front, and then your partition here gives you privacy from the back. So 3 drawers on the end of the wardrobe, on the end of the galley, double doors below, and look at the amount of storage over here below the stove and around the TV. So short floor plan, 30-footer, triple slide, but really nice storage, good living space, and as I said, the additional room up in the overhead bunk. So love to have you come talk to us. Dennis Gerard with Guarantee RV.